Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the derived characters of humans. Previously, we have studied that placental mammals, uh, the advanced animals of placental mammals were the primates. And the fossil records, it has shown that the primates, with the passage of time through the course of evolution, gave rise to the human like organisms when we see the fossil records through which the modern humans have developed. Now, when we talk about the derived characters of these humans, the early humans they spread to different environment and they evolved different body shapes that help them to survive in the cold as well as hot climates. Also, change in their diets also help them to change their body shapes. And as the early humans, they faced evolutionary environmental challenges. And in order to cope with those challenges, they evolved bigger bodies and they evolved large as well as more complex brain. Now, due to this complexity of brains, they started learning many things. The first thing was that humans they stood upright and they started walking on two legs instead of four legs. Now, with the course of evolution, humans have developed much larger brain as compared to other hominoids or human-like apes or primates, and they are capable of language, symbolic thoughts, as well as use of tools. Now, other characteristics include that humans they have reduced jawbones, they have reduced muscles, and they evolve a shorter digestive tract as compared to their ancestors or their closely relative primates. Now, when we talk about the derived characters of humans, they started having more language learning abilities. They were switched on in humans as a result of having larger brains. And then they started developing different tools, artifacts, and they started utilizing technology for their ease. Also, their learning and teaching capabilities they were enhanced, and with the course of evolution, they have highly developed these techniques. Um, these all knowledge we have known so far is based on the fossil record, and the study of human origin and evolution is known as paleoanthropologies, which gives us an insight of the evolution of humans as well as the characters humans derived with the course of time through the process of their evolution.